This is Edwin Kwan from Sydney, Australia. Since Twitter's recent acquisition, many users have been looking for a Twitter replacement. This has resulted in a growing popularity in the decentralized microblogging platform Mastodon. With its increasing popularity, it is also getting more scrutiny. Swigger, a web security company, discovered a way to steal passwords using a HTML injection vulnerability. They were able to demonstrate this on the infosec.exchange Methadone instance. Mastodon issued a patch in less than a week, and the infosec.exchange instance has been patched. However, being a decentralized social network, there are hundreds of public and private Mastodon instances which also needs to be patched. So this vulnerability is most likely still in the wild and exploitable.